Hello friends, welcome to excelAnyone Learnings. My name is Nilesh and I will be taking you to the things which can be done by Microsoft Excel. This is my first video and in this video I will be talking about Excel, its importance and how it can be used and some basic things which can be done in MS Excel. Please make a note of that. For all the lessons I will be using MS Excel 13 version and some of starting videos will be very basic which many of you will find very easy, but Excel Anyone is made for all who are beginner or those who are actually working with Excel. Okay friends, so let's get started here. I have some slides here to introduce about Microsoft Excel. So here I am introducing with Excel that it is a basic spreadsheet program invented by Microsoft. Hence it is called as MS Excel. It's very easy to use and it generates efficient results. It makes operations on data. You can bring in data in Excel and operate on that. It handles some coding. Okay, you can manually code in Excel, which is a VBA part, and I will teach this in later videos. Importance of MS Excel. MS Excel widely used in corporate world, in the field of finance, in the field of data analytics, it is used. It can be used to generate charts. It can be used for pivoting, for visualization purposes. In visualization, you can create dashboards with the help of Excel. You can do anything with spreadsheets. Here are some dashboards created by Excel. Okay, so this is sales performance dashboard created in it. You can see another example. This is a chart created based on this available data, and this is made by MS Excel only. So in this session I will take you through some basic things regarding Excel. In this I will tell you what is workbook, what is worksheet, what is cell address, what is name box, some rows and column, then how to add or how to delete the rows and columns. Then I will introduce about formula bar and how to save a file. Okay guys, so let's get started. Before anything, I will just tell you how to start Excel. Remember guys, this video is very introductory video. Okay, and while doing things in Excel, I will use some shortcuts. So I will also talk about shortcuts in Excel so you can practice them. Okay, so to start Excel, you have to go to start button. Okay, here my shortcut is created because I regularly use Excel, but you can go to all programs, then Microsoft Office 2013, and here you will find Excel 2013 icon. You have to click on this. Okay, in the left side I am able to see these files. So these are recently used by me. Okay, for fresh Excel spreadsheet you have to click on blank workbook. So this is your workbook. The entire thing here you are looking at is a workbook. Okay, so now I will introduce about workbook and worksheet. This entire area you are looking at is a workbook which contains number of sheets. Here you can see sheet 1. To add new sheet, you have to press plus sign here. You can add multiple sheets here. Okay, so you can understand that a workbook is a set of multiple worksheets. Okay, these are multiple worksheets and together it is called as workbook. Now I will introduce about cell. Here each rectangular area you are looking at is called as cell. Okay, this is name box. In name box you see cell address. Okay, so what is cell address? Cell address is referred by a column name and row name. Okay, all the vertical lines, these A, B, C, D, E, F, these all are columns. Got it? And all the horizontal lines are rows. So these are rows and columns. So if I say that column D and row 10, this cell address is D10. In name box you see a cell address. Name box is used to show cell address. Okay, now I was talking about rows and columns. Okay, so if I want to insert a row, I will just suppose I want to insert a row below this third row. Okay, so I will click here, right click, insert. It will add a new row. You can actually see it. Suppose I have a data 10, 20, 30 here. Okay, then 2, 3, 4. In between these two rows I want to add one extra blank row. So I want to add a row below third row. So I just select third row, right click here and say insert. This is added above that row. So after third row, fourth row is inserted. Suppose I want to insert a row above fifth row, then say right click, insert. It will add a row. So this is how you can add a row. Now I want to add column here. So just select that column, insert, the column will be added. Okay, now I want to teach you how to call particular value by cell address. Okay, suppose in G4 I want to enter value 30, but with the help of cell address, that is D4. Okay, so in G4 I will use equal to sign and say D4. So whatever value at address D4 will be inserted in G4. I'll say enter and I got 30. Okay, now I want to introduce you about formula bar. Okay, so till this we have seen a cell, what is cell by, then I have taught about the address, cell addresses, how to call a value by cell address. Now I will teach you formula bar. Okay, lots of formulas are available in Excel. Okay, some of them are financial formulas, some of them are statistical formulas. Lots of formulas are there, but I'm not going through all of them. I will just take an example of sum. I want to add 10 and 20, that is A4 plus B4 in C4. Okay, so in formula bar, okay, for C4 in formula bar I will type equal to sum. Sum is a inbuilt function for adding up number of values. You can add multiple values, but it should be more than one. Sum, I want to add A4 plus B4, so I will give address A4 comma B4. I want to add these two values. You can add multiple addresses to add those number and press enter. I will get 30 output here. If I press on this C4, it will show me a formula on formula bar that for this cell this formula is applied. Okay, now final thing in this video is saving this file. Okay, so to save this file I will go to file, save. You can save anywhere you want. I am saving it on desktop. I will give a name tutorial 1 excelSX. Here are some 4 different extensions: excelSX, excelM, excelSB, excelS. XLS was used till 2003 version. After 2003 they have invented excelSX. What is excelSM? excelSM is a version when you have a file in which you have created a macro by manually coding, and Excel binary workbook is XLSP. Okay, so currently I am saving by excelSX and just say save. So this file has been saved on my desktop. You can see this tutorial 1 is saved on my desktop. I can open it. Okay, so this is about session 1. Thank you guys.